I'm Kim Johnston, and I would like to introduce the Rotary R560 heavy-duty tire changer. This tire changer will accommodate rim diameters 11 to 27 inches, tire diameters up to 51 inches, and tire widths up to 37.4 inches. And now we'll see how to use it. We'll raise the jaws so we can grab the center of the wheel. We'll push the tire into place. We'll get our jaws opened up. And we'll make sure that all four have grabbed the wheel in the correct position. Now we're going to bring our working head, our tool head out. And we'll drop this into position so we can use it to break the bead. And then we'll raise our wheel up to the working height. And what we're looking for is about a ½ inch or so gap between the tire, or the rim, and the tool head. This way we can go ahead and start lubing that. We want to make sure we get the tire and the rim. And our bead should be broke, so now we'll pull the tool out. And we'll go and we'll hit the back side here. And again, our working height should already be set, so we should only have to move the roller in and out. Give us enough room here, and we'll lube again. Okay, now we'll just start to move our roller forward, and we'll rotate our wheel at the same time. And we're just looking to get this first bead over the lip. There we go. And then a little further, we'll get our second bead off there. Excellent. Now we'll go ahead and we'll lower this rim down because we need it to be to the ground when we mount the tire. And I'm gonna have to move the roller out so I have some more room to operate here. I'm gonna make sure to lube the toe of the bead since that's the part that will drag on the rim. Make sure we get the bead nice looped up here. All right, put our tire on our wheel. I'm gonna hold it with my hand as I raise this up, just giving it a little bit of pressure to keep it in place until I can get the roller moved in here. There we go. We'll start to rotate and we'll see how slippery our wheel is here. Might have to help it a little bit around. There, we got our first bead. I'll take some of the pressure off the tire so I can attach my clamp. So this is a steel rim hands-free clamp. There's a separate one for aluminum wheels that has plastic protection to protect the face. We'll rotate the clamp up to about close to 12 o'clock as you can get it. We'll push that in just a little bit and start taking it clockwise. And again, we just want to watch and make sure that our bead isn't getting pinched. We kind of jog it, give the rubber time to slide into place. There we go. I'll move my tool head out of the way. Put it up. Take my hands-free clamp off. And then we'll lower the tire and wheel assembly down so we can get it off the clamps and take it over to the cage to inflate it.